You're about to watch me sew the cutest bow pillow in existence. Hello, I'm Larry and welcome to Sew Vlogs, my personal sewing and fashion journey. A few months ago I created a bow pillow pattern that's literally the epitome of cutesy, and today we're going to make another one because one, why not, and two, you can never have too many pillows. The fabric I'm using today is this cute floral print I've had for a while. I think even though it's a pattern, it'll go really well with my bedding that I have currently. You only need 1 yard to make this pillow anyway. If you are interested in making this project, the link will be in the description below, and you can use the code SUMMER to get a discount right now. But anyways, let's get into it. I have my pattern, so let's go cut. Also, this project should only take about an hour to do, but it's me we're talking about, so no judging. We have both our pieces pinned up, so let's go sew these together. I think I'm doing 5/8. I think I always do 5/8, so it doesn't matter. Okay, so we have our pieces sewn up, and I left a little hole at the bottom so we can put the stuffing in. But before we turn this over, I'm going to cut some notches in wherever we have the curves, and that's going to help smooth it out later. I didn't do that for the other pillow, and you can kind of tell, but it doesn't really matter. So we're going to do that, and then we're going to start stuffing these. Okay, so I'd say the polyfill is the most expensive part of this project. This may look like a lot, but I probably will need another half bag to fill this pillow. Just a calculation. And this makes sense why pillows are expensive. But yeah, we're gonna go ahead and fill the pieces. Turn this over. I would say I'm going to go ahead and iron the seams down, but that would be a lie. We have the shape, and that's all that matters. Let's start stuffing. Now, I am not the best needlepoint person. Okay, so our closing stitch isn't the cleanest in the world, but it's going to be covered with the middle belt. So let's go ahead and put the two pieces together. Okay, so we are done with our pillow. I'd say not to overstuff the middle portion as much as the larger piece, because it could bulge and you might not like the way it looks, but I love how it looks. The tails are hanging perfectly, and this only took me an hour to make. An hour and 20 minutes. If you do want to make sure that the middle portion doesn't move, you can even stitch behind or in between like this portion and it should stay in place. So this is what we have, and this is such a cute addition to the bedding. So if you are looking for a really quick and easy project to do this summer, I definitely recommend 10 out of 10. Let's go put this on the bed.